Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have from the Method brand, and it is some all-purpose cleaner, and I got pink grapefruit smelling one. I don't know if you've ever used this cleaner before, but it's super good. Let me see what it smells like. Can't smell anything yet. Ooh, it does smell kind of grapefruity, kind of more fragranty than fruity as much, but it could be good. So I got this here, and this is all-purpose cleaner, cleans grease and grime, designed for your home. So it's just kind of good stuff that I'm gonna be using all over the place for everything when I gotta clean the fridge and clean the counters and stuff like that. Versus I was using like the sanitizing wipes all the time, but I can just use this and a little paper towel or something like that to clean things off. And I'll probably be better off with this. So this is great stuff. So pink grapefruit, the flavor I got, the smell at least. I like it. Thumbs up. Very cool stuff. Yeah, Method all-purpose cleaner. Like it.